welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video guys ay mayroon tayong i-unboxing guys na sobrang excited ko kasi mayroon akong ganito na ngayon guys. Matagal kong inantay ito guys, so sana mabunot ako na magkaroon naman ako ng ganitong bagay na ito. At sobrang excited ako guys. And nung natawag yung pangalan ko na ako nga ang nanalo guys. Sobrang saya ako. Ayan guys, at ito na nga guys, ipapakita ko na sa inyo guys yung aking napanalunan. Ito guys, dumating na ang parcel ng galing kay Mary Ann Duwaman. Ayan guys, ito na siya guys. Ayan siya guys, oh. Mary Ann Duwaman. And sobra akong excited guys kasi pinapangarap ko tong magkaroon ng t-shirt na ganito talaga guys. This is I dream this one guys to be to have this one t-shirt guys. And ayan, mag-unboxing na tayo. Bubuksan na natin guys. Oy, nahulog. Nahulog guys. Ayan. Wait lang guys ha. Ayan guys, nabuksan ko na guys. Ashley. Ayan guys. Ayan na guys. Sun and Moon t-shirt from Ann Duwaman and Randy Woods. Ayan guys, so, iano ko na. OMG! Ayan, Sun and Moon. OMG guys. Here na guys. I'm so excited this one. Ayan guys, this is the t-shirt guys. Sun and Moon t-shirt. Ayan guys, and thank you Ann Duwaman and Randy Woods for this Ann Duwaman and Randy Woods for this remembrance to you, to both of you. Ayan, isusuot ko na guys. Ayan na yung t-shirt guys. OMG! Here's the t-shirt guys. Ayan guys, here's the t-shirt of Randy Woods and Ann Duwaman t-shirt guys. Sun and Moon, Ann Duwaman and Randy Woods. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Ayan guys. OMG! It's very nice t-shirt. You know what guys? Here. Dun, dun, dun. Contestant number 1. Beth Beltran. Contestant number 1. Beth Beltran. Pak na pak. Pak. I'm so excited. Sun and Moon t-shirt. Ayun guys, magpapaalam na ako. Don't forget to subscribe the Ann Duwaman channel and Randy Woods channel. Ayan guys, nandiyan sa screen ninyo yung pinapakita ko guys. And ayan guys, magpapaalam na ako. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell button para updated kayo sa susunod ko na video. Bye-bye!